Hey guys, welcome to my first video. My name is Ryan. I will be sharing some recipes and tips for a better lifestyle in your kitchens. So today I won't be sharing any recipes. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my all new Optimum G2.6 Platinum Series Vortex blender from Froothie, the exclusive distributor of Optimum and one of the most trusted kitchen appliances brands in the US and around the world. Froothie is one of the fastest growing global brands focusing on health and wellness products, with over 100,000 Facebook followers and growing. I have crashed a lot of blenders in my career, but now I'm depending on this little monster over here to spend a wonderful journey together. So guys, let's get it out of the box. First of all, we've got the original recipe book with the warranty registration and the G2.6 user manual on top. So the G2.6 weighs around 5 kilograms, length of 19 centimeters, width of 21 centimeters, and a height of 48 centimeters. Let's have a look on the Optimum G2.6. First of all, what grabbed my attention is the 2-liter heat-resistant jug set that comes with it, which allows me to prepare a smoothie in the morning for the whole family instead of preparing it several times in a smaller jug. The jugs are UL/CE and FDA approved, Eastman 𝗂𝗍𝗄𝗎 BPA free with lid and cap. Let's go more into details and check out the blades. For instance, the G2.6 uses 6 blades, 4 large ones and 2 smaller blades, to give you a more efficient yet smoother texture to your soups and pulverize the thickest ingredients with no hassles and no struggle. Having the word Optimum curved on the blades is really cool and yet lets me know that it's the original jug. The connecting parts are stainless steel as well, and this is really great. I like this because my previous blender had plastic ones which broke easily. Like many other Optimum appliances, the G2.6 comes with a heavy-duty Tamper tool for improved processing and mixing. The coolest part of the unit is its base. I think it looks awesome. The design is really elegant and I love the LED touch buttons. Featuring an elegantly simple LED touchscreen panel, on the base you've got the start-stop button, the speed button, you can set the time over here, and have the choice to choose between vegetables, where you create nutritious vegetable smoothies and juices in a matter of 60 seconds with a smooth and delicious consistency. Grind, so you can chop various grains and seeds with ease and simplicity in 70 seconds. Sorbets, here you are able to create deliciously smooth, healthy sorbets in just 80 seconds. Smoothies, to create nutritious and creamy smoothies in a matter of 45 seconds with a smooth and delicious consistency. Soup is to create some extra creamy hot soups in just 7 minutes. And sauce, where you create homemade spreads, dips, dressings, and marinades in just 60 seconds. With these preset buttons, you can allow your blender to do the right work in no time, offering the ability to set the time and speed to the exact parameters you desire to get the most increased smoothness. Let's go deeper into the Optimum G2.6, knowing that it's the Froothie's most powerful blender of all time in the market. The G2.6 comes with an immensely powerful 2400 watts motor. Wow! You can blend anything in there and have it like a powder or something. The Optimum's unique motor varies electricity consumption based on the power required. This allows the blender to outlast most competition with no breakdowns or hassles along the way. This Vortex blender from Froothie allows you to do anything. Prepare fruit and green smoothies, nut milk and butter, crush ice, grind nuts and grains, prepare ice cream from frozen fruits, hot soups, spreads and dips, omelets, and more in just seconds. Froothie takes pride in providing great services and quality products. Used in kitchens, cafes, and businesses around the world, their appliances are tested and proven to be one of top quality brands around. This is what makes Optimum #1 of Australia's most recognized brands.